Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're listening. Welcome back. This is our day 71 of our 100-day challenge. Going strong, going happier, going healthier, and it's always a honor to come back and talk to you guys. And it's like a routine. It's like a religious for me, religious ceremony for me to come every day, share 5-10 minutes with you guys, and just like it's like um, your co-passengers, your co-partners, your co-pilot that you're conversing in during that day, and you share what what has gone good, what how to make more good, and how to enjoy this life, how to make more happier, rather than just discussing about the problems and all that thing. There are so many people in your life which you can always talk about the problems, but I'm sure there would be very less of people in your life who always talks about what is joy, what is happiness, what is trust, what is confidence. And that's where, guys, we need to build this economy. Look around yourself. We are always being surrounded by so many things which is not even required to be thought of, but we put so much effort and energy and focus into it, which is unworthy, I think. And but if you talk about with the people, what are the vacations they are planning for, how was their vacation in that place, just imagine how the how that environment will be created. You will be in that mood all day long. You'll be thinking about that vacation, you'll be thinking about that destination, you'll be thinking about your family. But think about the other scenario where you go to and meet with your people who are always talking about the problems in and just imagine you will also get converse with that problems, and you will get indulge into it, and every day you will be thinking about it, which is not even worth of, guys. So that's how, guys, it's very important that you put that filters where you want to put your attention and focus upon. And if you put your attention and focus, it's like flashing a light. Wherever you flash the light, it gets illuminated. So you have to illuminate your own thought process, you have to illuminate that happiness feeling, you have to illuminate that joyous feeling, and just go along with that, just go with the ease, and leave the everything to God. It's God who has given us everything, guys. We would have made man, humans would have made, but everything is created by God, guys. And that's where I think we should have that a bigger picture in our mind, rather than just focusing upon the small aspect of life. And guys, take one day at a life. It's very important. Don't think about what's coming in, what's going out. Past is gone, future is unwritten. So this is the only moment where you can enjoy. So enjoy it. Don't think that I want more, I want to take more. That's where we always get into that notion, I want this more, I want to take more. But if we are contented, and if we have that notion, okay, what, I don't need anything from anybody, I am happy in whatever the state I am. And just imagine your outlook, your perception, your feelings, your thoughts, everything will get changed, guys. So guys, this is the beauty of this nature. So take that advantage. You have that wisdom, you have that knowledge. We have been discussing from last 70 days now, and I'm sure you guys have become an expert now. So now it's a time to put into practice. So you have that knowledge, you have that wisdom. So now apply it and steer your ship, steer your life in the direction whatever you want, and see the miracles always happen in life. Prayers are always listened by God. He's always with us, guys. So on that note, guys, thank you so very much for listening to me again. It's always a pleasure and an honor to come back and share with you. Until we meet tomorrow, have a great and a wonderful day. Thank you.